Our women ancestors have always played a role in economic life outside of the home. In industrial Swansea during World War I, women entered new kinds of jobs as they started to work in the tin plate mills as behinders. As the red-hot iron plates were passed through the metal rollers to flatten them, the behinder would grip them with tongs and pass them over the rollers to be rolled again, all while keeping the rollers greased. In 1915, one journalist wrote that one has to be smart and active or the plate is liable to fall on one's feet and cause injury. It was dangerous and fast-paced work. Women worked in other parts of the tin plate mills as well. So many women worked in the mills that some of the so-called lighter jobs, like working the cold mill or transporting and opening the plates, became gendered as women's work, despite men having done those jobs previously. Even my great-grandmother worked as a tin plate opener, where she separated the packs of steel plates after they'd been hot-rolled, another dangerous job by the looks of her work gloves. In a historic interview held by the St. Fagans National Museum of History, Cecil Lewis, a retired tin plate worker from the same community as my Nana, talks about his time in the tin plate mills. He says it was work that left you too tired to walk home because of the sweat you'd lost. You couldn't eat your food, couldn't sleep. You were too tired to sleep, too hungry to eat. It was hard work. The history of women's work outside of the home is long and complex, and sometimes new job opportunities without any kind of change in what that work was like itself didn't look like liberation, especially for the poor working-class women who worked in the tin plate mills in early 20th century Swansea. Sometimes it meant new types of exhaustion, new kinds of danger, and new threats of physical disability. Let me know in the comments if you've had any ancestors who worked in the tin plate mills or other kinds of factories. What were their lives like? Thanks for watching GenealCymru, and if you want to help support my work and get access to additional content, you can join the Patreon. Check for the link in the description box.